Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of some common sea creatures in English. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these sea creatures together. Please give it a try. Eel, eel, eel. Fish, fish, fish. Grouper, grouper, grouper. Jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish. Killer whale, killer whale, killer whale. Lionfish, lionfish, lionfish. Lobster, lobster, lobster. Manatee, manatee, manatee. Manta ray, manta ray, manta ray. Mussels, mussels, mussels. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.